One of the magic things about my paint is that when you put a hairdryer to it over thick paint, it crackles. It's beautiful. You need to have a little bit of water in it so that it's very thick. There's a large amount of paint. But here, I'm going to be laying the paint on. And it won't matter if you get brush strokes. I've painted everything and I've crackled everything. Now the wax. First, clear wax everywhere. This is protected, so that if I want to change my mind, I can, because the dark wax will stain. So all over, and now a clear wax, a cloth rather, just to wipe over to get rid of any excess. You're already able to see some of the crackles. I'm going to use black wax, so the clear wax is taking off the excess. You can see everything. Pressing harder in some places and lighter in others. Just to take the colour off the top and leaving all the dark wax into the cracks. I'm going to carry on until this is finished and then I'll show you the finished result.